Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video we are going to compare eToro and interactive brokers. Without further ado, let's just start, and I'm going to talk to you about the main benefits of both of these and also the disadvantages. So, if I should recommend interactive brokers, who would I recommend it to? To someone who wants something complex, a day trading really secure with low fees. But eToro got a really huge advantage is that it's simple, the free stocks and free ETFs. So if you want to invest, like, you don't need to worry about anything really. And you can also copy trades and copy investments, and that's a huge benefit. So if you want to something simple that you want to like play around with your app, buy some stocks, like really just trying to make some money, go with the eToro. But if you want something complex like this, go with the interactive brokers. And also interactive brokers doesn't have like, it does have fees on stocks, ETF and everything, but you can actually trade everything on interactive brokers. So that's fascinating. So let's just start step by step and let's talk about it. Overall pros, again, as I said, free stock and ETF trading, really easy account opening, and social trading experience. This means that you can copy the trades and you can copy the investors. Interactive brokers, wide range of products. We will talk about it. They got like everything, also with options that you can make a lot of money on, like how it's called on Wall Street Bets on Reddit, and regulated by several authorities. This is true. Interactive brokers is the safest, again, the safest trading platform right now in Europe. But overall cons, if you want to trade Forex on eToro, I don't recommend it too. The fees are high. You can also check it here on Broker Chooser. Withdrawing money can be slow, yes, up to 1 week, and only one account-based currency. They have only the dollars, they don't have the euro. So what I always recommend is to opening a Revolut account or TransferWise account and send money to TransferWise Revolut, so you don't lose that much when you're going to transfer from euro to dollars, and then send the money to eToro. That's just my recommendation, what I would do. So because they're making money on two things. The first one are like those Forex fees, free things. Then they got, when you want to withdraw the money from eToro, you're going to pay $5. So that's why I recommend always like not withdrawing every month. Try to every 3 months, so you can lower your fees. And also they're making money on, when you're gonna change from euro to dollars. Now, interactive brokers, what are the cons? Complex desktop trading, yes, I mean, like, what is this? Complicated account opening process, yes, it's really hard to open account in interactive brokers, and highly inactive fee. Okay, like, listen to this. If you not gonna have $10 commission in like whatever month, you're gonna pay fee $10. So if you want to invest on monthly basis and you're not going to make money, or you want to take a break like for 1 month, you're gonna pay $10. Like, what is it? Why? And now let's see. Fees, low trading fees, free stock trading, yes, low CFD fees, high Forex fees, withdrawal fee, that's what we'll talk about right now. And interactive brokers, low trading fees, yes, low stock but not free, important. Low financial rate, free stock and ETF trading for US clients, and inactive fee. This is what we didn't like, also what I was talking about, that $10 if you don't trade in a particular month. And also I want to show you comparison. Stock and ETF commission of $2,000 trade on eToro, 0. But interactive brokers, you can see it right here, you're gonna pay money. Now let's continue. Account opening, I mean, okay, let me show you. Okay, open account. I mean, like, I just opened the account and I'm lost. What is this? So if you could compare, like, open it, it's really complex here. So let's go further. Deposit and withdrawals. Okay, so this is it. Credit card available, no deposit fee, user friendly. Yes, it's really easy to open the account and also send money there. Only one account-based currency. As I mentioned, $5 withdrawal fee. Conversion fee for non-USD deposits. Yes. Okay, but interactive brokers, you don't have the credit debit card is not available and also not user-friendly. That's really important. I mean, like, it's a pain to work with interactive brokers. And then also you get the first withdrawal each month is free, but the second one, third one is paid. So it's like similar to eToro, right? So the first one will be free, but if you want to withdraw more, you're gonna pay money. Web trading platform. If I could compare, look at this. This is how it looks like. I mean, yeah. What else should we talk about? Also, mobile trading platform, user-friendly, two-step login, got search function, nice. But interactive brokers application, if I could show it to you, I will show it to you. Give me a second. Yeah, look at this. This is it. I mean, really? So this is how it looks like. This is how the interactive brokers looks like. Now, desktop trading platform, eToro doesn't have it. Interactive brokers has it. As we mentioned, it's not good. Now, the markets and products, you can see the difference here, the huge difference here that you got on eToro, stock, ETF, Forex, CFD, crypto. But in interactive brokers, you can also warrants, indices, metals, structured products, options, bonds, like so many more products. Again, if you're looking for crypto and stock, go with the eToro. If you want to have like huge day trade with a like everything here, I mean, go with the interactive brokers. Now, research, what I will like, yes, they are saying that the research is not good and eToro, but you have Wall Street bets on Reddit and investing on Reddit that you can go from there. And also you can copy the investors in eToro and also copy the, like, there are groups which you can follow and that people are like, okay, investing to crypto or whatever. Now, interactive brokers, they have data on asset fundamentals, trading ideas. It's like interactive brokers in research is not bad. Customer service, interactive brokers is winning here completely. They have phone support, live chat, no 24/7 support. eToro does have live chat, but it's like it's offline quite often, so just be careful about that. Education, again, education in interactive brokers, it's much better. Demo account, trading platform tutorial. Also, eToro has demo account too. What I recommend is just like clicking on the link down below in the description and then just opening the eToro account and testing out with the virtual money. Then you're gonna see like the safety here. Interactive brokers, it's much more safe comparing to eToro, but eToro is here from 2008, 2007, I think. Yeah, 2007 established. They didn't have any big breaches in past like 13 years. But it doesn't have banking license. Financial information is not publicly available, not listed on stock exchange. So that's pretty much it. But I've like plenty of people are trading through eToro and it's safe, it's good. But also you need to decide by yourself. What I recommend, if you want to have free commissions, free investing, go with a eToro and you're good to go. Traders interested in social trading, copying other investor trades, and zero commission stock trading. Interactive brokers, traders looking for low fees and a professional trading environment. So yeah, if you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I really enjoy comparing these kind of products, and also I'm using Broker Chooser and also different sites for getting the information that I can provide you, not just Broker Chooser. If you find this video useful, as I mentioned, you can support me by just clicking down below in the comments and on description links. That will mean a real lot to me because I enjoy comparing products, honestly. It's fun. So yeah. Also, what else should I tell you? That's pretty much it. But yeah, interactive brokers it's pain in the ass, honestly. It's hard to create product, hard to kind of invest. But if you want to go like deep to investing, like Interactive Brokers is for you. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.